Southwest University is thrilled to share with you an insight of what the new upcoming Culinary Institute has in store for all of our future students. This project was thought, crafted, and built based on expertise, passion, and the culinary world. The Associate of Applied Science in Culinary Arts program will provide the necessary cooking and administrative skills to prepare individuals for entry-level professions in the culinary and hospitality services field. Students will have a hands-on experience by using production kitchens and commercial food service equipment to gain the knowledge, skills, and techniques required for the restaurant and hospitality business operations. This program has it all. Students will learn everything from safety and sanitation, recipe or menu planning, food processing, purchasing, to the actual art and science behind food preparation. Our curriculum is designed for students to learn high-quality cooking skills such as baking, plating presentation, and cooking. Individuals enrolled in this program by Southwest University will be accompanied, guided, and inspired by top worldwide chefs Carlos Gaitan, Jonathan Gomez Luna, and Mikel Alonso, who will share their knowledge and experience with students during their culinary journey. These top-rated chefs have come a long way to where they stand today. Even though they did not begin their culinary lives right away, it was a passion, love for food, and motivation that made them stick to this fulfilling and exciting career. Chef Carlos Gaitan grew his love for food thanks to the time he spent at the kitchen cooking with his mom in Huitzuco, Mexico. He now has his own restaurants and is the first Mexican chef that has earned a Michelin star. Chef Mikel Alonso is also a restaurant owner and has been invited to TV shows and culinary festivals and events around the world. His restaurant, Pico, has been included in the list of 100 best restaurants worldwide. Lastly, Chef Jonathan Gomez Luna will also be a part of these big and passionate minds behind this culinary project. He has been cataloged as one of the best 5 emerging chefs in Mexico by Blue and Blanc magazine, and will be sharing his outstanding seasoning and cooking skills with students. These amazing and talented chefs, along with the huge effort that has been put into reality by our hardworking Southwest University staff, will prepare the best chefs in our region to provide an outstanding regional impact in our El Paso community in the food and hospitality services, once graduated from our Culinary Institute by Southwest University.